Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use maximum if function in Excel. We have the data. In A column, we see regions. In B, atoms, and then sales. In C column. In D column, we have criteria S. N for north, S for south, E for east, and W for west. So in north, we see books and are made. So here we find the maximum if function formula to find. So here we find the maximum sale for south. So by using maximum if function, maximum sale for south by using maximum if function formula. So double click here and press equal sign and type max and bracket open. Now we start if function here and open bracket. Now set the range for the region and we say that it is equal to south. Click here and D2. That show that in region you find the S. In the range you need to set S, the formula says, and then comma, and now set the range for sale. We say that in the region select S, south, and how maximum sales made in south. The formula says, now bracket close. This is for if, and now for maximum. Now press Ctrl Shift plus Enter, and we are done. This way. Now formula says that in north, in the region we find south S, that is the criteria, and how many sales are made, how maximum sales is made in south, that is the range. So in this way we will find maximum sales for south, and item is paper. So in this way we can use maximum if function in Excel. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.